Yes, there guys and girls, my brand new windshield. Britney Cheryl is already happy for the outcome of this replacement of her windshield. As you can see, no more crack, no more damage, only a brand new one. And my designs inside, who's this? I forgot. Mario brother, right? And McDonald's car, also from McDonald's, and it looks like Scooby. So tomorrow or the next day, I'm gonna put some designs on it, some miniatures, toys, right? So my windshield cost from 7,000, it became 6,900 because they didn't put something, I don't know, I forgot. And then they deduct the 100 pesos supposed to be, and then I asked for another discount which cost 200, so it's total of 6,700. So congratulate me guys and girls for the brand new Britney Cheryl. It still have a scotch tape because for the protection of it. And then they told me to pull it up, take it off tomorrow. And Britney Cheryl has a 6 months warranty for leakage, just in case there's a drop rain or whatever water, or you know, rain, water when you are car washing on it. So they will fix it again. And what did they say? What else did they say? No need to. What I mean is, you don't have to make it for car wash 2 days before you have to car wash your car if ever you want to replace your windshield. So that's it. Bye for now. I'm here in Santa Lucia.